Long-term disability is a good choice for most people because it reduces the risk of financial setbacks if you become disabled. If you don't have coverage, that period with no income could make it hard to pay bills, support your family, and save for retirement. Think about how your family would be affected if you couldn't earn income. Let's look at some pros and cons of long-term disability insurance. First, the pros. It protects your greatest asset, that's you and your ability to earn a paycheck. People buy insurance to protect their home, car, health, and family, so protecting your income is super important too. If you make $100,000 a year and you can't work for 4 years, that would probably set you back financially. It also protects your family. If you're disabled and on claim, it will provide meaningful protection so that your spouse isn't forced to get an additional or even a different job, or enter the workforce if they were staying at home. If you have an individual disability policy outside of work that you pay with after-tax dollars, your benefits will be received tax-free. You can also spend the benefits how you want. Benefits are received in cash and don't require reimbursement, so you can spend the money however you wish. It also helps you to meet your ongoing financial obligations. If you can't work and no longer have income coming in, your debts and financial obligations don't just disappear, right? You'll need to continue paying for your home, car, loans, living expenses, plus you'll likely want to continue contributing to retirement. Disability insurance helps you avoid bankruptcy and debt. A disability can deplete your savings pretty quickly. If you have income from your policy, you can avoid depleting your savings and using credit cards with high interest rates. It also allows you to focus on recovering. If you're disabled and aren't receiving income, it can be very stressful. Anxiety about finances make it a lot harder to recover and return to work. It also provides peace of mind. Knowing you and your family have meaningful protection in place in the event you can't work because of an accident, illness, or injury will give you peace of mind in general so that you don't have to worry about the what ifs. What are the cons of disability insurance? It can be expensive. Coverage costs more the older you get or the more dangerous your job is. In general, a policy will cost between 1% and 3% of your income. It depends on your age, gender, job, health, benefit period, benefit amount, elimination period, disability definition, and riders. Women will pay more than men in premiums because women are more likely to go on claim. Generally, the younger and healthier you are, the less expensive it will be. If you have a group disability policy through work, you'll likely have to pay taxes on them because you either A, will pay premiums with pre-tax dollars, or B, your employer pays for all or part of the premium. Policies can also come with exclusions that don't cover pre-existing conditions. Let's say if you have a pre-existing condition like back pain, it's likely your disability policy will have an exclusion or limitation related to that condition. If the insurance company offers you coverage with an exclusion, they will insure you, but they won't cover that specific condition, body part, or disabilities resulting from certain activities. Some exclusions are permanent, while others could be reviewed at a certain time. Disability policies also have an elimination period or a waiting period. During this time, you will not receive disability benefits and you will need to dip into your savings to pay your bills. Waiting periods are customizable from 30 days to 730 days. A shorter elimination period will make your premiums more expensive, and a longer elimination period will make your premiums less expensive. Also, if you never experience a disability, you won't receive benefits. Obviously, if you never have a disability, you aren't going to receive those benefits from the insurance company, but you did pay for coverage for a set number of years. However, the coverage did its job and it provided meaningful protection to you. Count yourself blessed because you didn't experience a disability. So there you have it, pros and cons of disability insurance. The bottom line, there are pros and cons to consider when buying long-term disability insurance, but the pros of buying it outweigh the cons. I'm Kelly Augsburger with Steadfast Insurance, and if you have any questions or want to learn more, connect with me online or give me a call, and I'm happy to help.